the two sides of a triangle are greater than the third side when added together, then the triangle will in fact form, or the lengths will form a triangle. So here, if I add 5 and 6 together, okay, I get 11. But then I have to compare 11 to the last side. It is not greater than 12. So no, these will not form a triangle. So these do not make a triangle. All right, so getting into the meat of today. We're going to learn to identify if the length of sides we are given can be used to construct a triangle. This is one of the key properties for similarity, and you can determine if three lengths make a triangle and order the sides of a triangle from smallest to largest. So, first and foremost, the triangle inequality theorem states that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the sum of the third side, or the length of the third side. So here, okay, AB plus BC is greater than AC. We'd mark that as a true statement. BC is plus AC is greater than AB. We would mark that as a true statement. And then AB plus AC is greater than BC. We would mark that as a true statement. Since we can go through all three of those statements, okay, all three pairings of sides, and mark them as true, we can conclude, okay, we can say, therefore, the measurements form a triangle. It's a pretty simple theorem. So the implications with a triangle, all right, if I look at this one, 4, 5, and 7 would be my given lengths. So 4 plus 5 is 9. I can definitely say 9 is greater than 7. 4 plus 7 is 11, so I can definitely say 11 is greater than 5. And 5 plus 7 would be 12. So since I can go through and create 9 greater than 7, 11 greater than 5, and 12 greater than 4, and mark those statements as true, since all of them are true, I can conclude that these form a triangle. For these, okay, for this triangle, 2, 7, and 4, 2, 4, and 7, 2 plus 7 is 9, so 9 is greater than 4, true. 4 plus 7 is 11, which is greater than 2, that works still. And 2 plus 4 is greater than 7, that is not a true statement because 6 is not greater than 7. Since that is the case, I have to conclude that this cannot form a triangle. So decide whether or not it's possible to draw a triangle with the given sides below. So here's where I would say, okay, I know that 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 is greater than 9. So since I can say that, that's a true statement. I would then do 7 and 9. So 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 is in fact double, so it's greater than 8. So there's another true statement that I can say. And then the last pairing, I would do 8 and 9 together. So 8 plus 9 is equal to 17, which is definitely greater than 7. And since I can make those three statements, all right, I can say that 7, 8, and 9 added together can in fact create a triangle. So therefore, these lengths make a triangle. This is going to be a little tough to write out, so bear with me here. These lengths make a triangle. It's tough. It's tough. Make a triangle. All right. The next theorem goes hand in hand with the triangle inequality theorem, and it says that in a triangle, if one side is longer than another side, the angle opposite the longer side is larger than the angle opposite the shorter side. So, the largest side must be across from the largest angle. The smallest side must be across from the smallest angle, and the medium side would be across from the middle angle. So, example of that. In this triangle, they're asking me to determine the order of the triangles from least to greatest. So, what that's going to mean is that the smallest side, 5.5, is going to be across from the smallest angle, angle C. So I can conclude angle C is the smallest angle. Then the medium, okay, the medium-sized angle here, 8.5, would be the medium-sized side. So it would be across from the medium angle, angle B. And then finally, A is the largest side at 10.9, so it's across from the largest angle, angle A. And that's it. So that's the side angle inequality theorem. So it can work in reverse too, okay? So if I have sides here, if I want to find the largest side from the angles, this triangle requires a little bit of prep work first because I need to find this missing third angle. So 70 and 35 is 105. So according to the triangle angle sum theorem, that leaves me with 75 degrees for my angle sum of 180. So now using all this information, I can conclude that since 75 is the largest angle, side A must be the largest side. And they're asking me to go from greatest to least. So 70 is the next biggest angle. So side B would be the next biggest side. And to end it, 35 is the smallest angle. So C, the side across from it, would be the smallest side. And that's it, guys. Good luck on your assignment.